Ganahan si Kulot. Toby Chavez. 85. Wow, Toby Chavez 5-2. Kulot on third. Gigi Bagasina. Dylan Fabian. Hoy! Hoy! Munti ka na doon.
And P2, ganda ni P2.
So leading it's Toby Chavez. Hala. Nilo pa si Kulot. Oh! Ala. For Gigi Bagasina. Dylan Fabian on fifth. And then it's Rael Book. So still leading Toby Chavez was second. Sila yung second, number 5-2-2. Ala. Ay! JJ! Bangon! Gigi Bagasina, power slide. Wow, Toby Chavez 5-2-2. Kulot on third. La. Dylan Fabian on fourth. And then Rael Book on fifth. Number 177, ladies. Ayan. Gigi Bagasina, lumipad. Wow.
And followed by four sister racing team.
Lumipad si Kulot! Grabe, kagahin Kulot.
Sister racing team.
Grabe makalagpan siya. Ah! Woo! So still leading Toby Chavez. Gandang laban. Battle with number 5-2-2. And then Gigi Kulot. Ah, grabe buto-buto bay. Dylan Fabian on fourth. Wow. Hala. Gigi Kulot. Ah, Dylan Fabian on fourth. La. Gigi Bagasina. So, lumipad na naman si Kulot. Oh. La.
Rider ng ating mini classes.
Still on the lead, Toby Chavez. Ayun, no? Wala. Kulot on third. Wow! And then Dylan Fabian on fourth. Wow! Babe na, Gigi Bagasina. Sayang. Nag-U-turn. And then Rael Bob. Tuwara! Woo! Grabe, lumipad si Kulot. Wow! Ah! Boys versus girls! Grabe. La. Wow.
Ano, sorry. Kulot pa rin ang palat mo.
La. Up. Boys versus girls. Allah. Agay, na-inside si Kulot. White flag na. White flag. Wow. Ala, ginsidean. Error. Agay, yun lang, na-overlap. Agay, na-overlap. Tugpahan kini ron. Hala. Hala ka! Wow! Wow! Grabe! Ay! Wow! Maupay na kauna! Wow! Oh! Ha? Kisay kusog? Kusog ka siya, hindi. Allah! Wow! Na! Ala! Ala! Ay! Wow! Kulot versus Tommy Chavez! Ala! La! 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 Ay! Wow! Sayang! Ah! Gandang laban! Gandang laban! Gandang laban! Gandang laban! Gandang laban, Heidi no?
Pero kung tayo second